Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be a really small one, but I know that I love watching before and afters. So we're actually playing around with our living room and like our kitchen space and everything like that. We just sold a couch and so we're just making up with what we have left. So yeah, we're trialing like flipping everything. So we'll show you what that looks like. So the other thing is we're going to move like this and like put it there and put the TV like there. So this is the space as we have it. We are like halfway through. We're cooking dinner as well. So like we're basically taking the like old kitchen table from here and putting it over here because it's actually like an extendable one. So yeah. And then we're taking the couch from like here and putting it like here. So we've just trialed like putting these here together like that. Then we can just kind of sit here and put our feet up. Yeah, I like it. I think it can work. And then we just have to unpack everything in the bookshelf. Slowly getting empty. Slowly. Okay guys, this will be a bit random, but I'll show you what I'm actually eating for tonight. So I've kind of come up with what I like and a mixture of sort of gourmet and standard. That's wild Australian snapper, and it's got a dressing on it which is actually the same as the eggplants. So it's some local chemical-free grown eggplants from a suburban farm near my house, and it is a mixture of tahini and coconut aminos and lime juice, sesame seeds, and I think that's it. Oh, and some coconut oil and the coriander. So yeah, and then in the back here we've got like wilted spinach with garlic as a nice little side, and then the same paces on that as is. Life with Lizzie's tip for cooking. When you don't have a proper lid, use a plate to steam your fish. It's very unconventional, but oh, there it is. Yep. So we're gonna put the plates in the microwave for like a minute. Warm plates. Okay, dinner time. So it's kind of weird walking over here as opposed to over there. We'll see how. So I have doubts if these are actually any good, but it looks good. We'll just see how it tastes. Okay, let's eat. Really good. Yeah. The fish is a bit more tough than I thought. If you guys have any ideas on how I can make my fish less tough, that would be fantastic. But yeah. It's completely empty. Yes. Now we have to move it. Have to be very careful with my back injury. David will be doing most of it.
The only thing is, are you okay with having that crack being shown?
Yeah. This was a little crack that David put in it when we were constructing it.
Whoopsie.
We've always We've always tried to hide it, but sometimes things are unavoidable. Well, it's all coming together nicely. We've put our speaker in there, nice and easy. We've put our TV stand. It's all sitting flush. I've decided to start playing around, so I'm like doing like color-coded books and putting the items up here now instead of like down here. Like 2 black ends. Looks pretty cool. Yep, I'm very aesthetic. That's me. Okay, so everything is pretty much in now, and it feels like we have a lot more room. About 6 or 7 months ago, we watched a documentary called Minimalism, and we got really inspired to get rid of a lot of stuff, but we still had a fair bit left. And this, I guess, is just another step in that process.